Scientists just found invisible asteroids near Venus, and one could crash into Earth with no warning. These rocks are hiding in the sun's glare and move in wild, chaotic paths. NASA says some are big enough to destroy cities or worse. They spin through space in strange orbits that could cross Earth's path any day.
Tune in, because one of these silent space bullets may already be aimed at us, and we'll never see it coming.
It all started with a team of scientists in Brazil who were looking at our closest planetary neighbor, Venus. Using powerful telescopes and complex computer models, they were trying to map the space around it. But let's not forget, looking at anything close to the sun is incredibly difficult. It's like trying to spot a tiny fly buzzing next to a giant, blindingly bright stadium light. The sun's glare washes everything out, creating a huge blind spot in our view of the solar system. For years, astronomers knew that things could be hiding in that glare, but they never knew exactly what. And then, out of nowhere, they found something. It wasn't just one or two space rocks, it was a whole field of them. The truth nobody expected is that there are at least 20 asteroids currently playing a strange game of follow the leader with Venus. They are known as co-orbital asteroids. What's really going on is a strange cosmic dance. These asteroids are caught in a gravitational sweet spot where they share Venus's orbit, traveling around the sun on roughly the same path, like a group of traveling companions. Here's the crazy part. Because they are tucked in so close to Venus and hidden by the sun's light, we can't see them most of the time. They are practically invisible to us. That's when it hit them. The scientists realized that if there are 20 of these that they know about, there are probably many, many more that are still completely hidden. This discovery was huge. It was like realizing the quiet house next door actually has a whole crowd of rowdy guests inside, and you had no idea they were there. Suddenly, everything made sense. The gaps in their models, the strange gravitational pulse, it could all be explained by this hidden population of space rocks. And the biggest question of all was, if they are Venus's companions, why should we on Earth be worried? The thing is, just because these asteroids are traveling with Venus doesn't mean they are stuck there forever. Their co-orbital status protects them from crashing into Venus, but it does absolutely nothing to protect them from encountering Earth. And this is where it gets wild. The scientists warned that this hidden population of asteroids could pose a serious collisional hazard to our planet. To understand the danger, you first need to know what makes an asteroid officially hazardous. Scientists have a category for this, called a potentially hazardous asteroid, or PHA. What nobody talks about is that there are two simple rules for a space rock to get this scary label. First, it has to be big enough. The rule is a diameter of at least 140 meters. That's bigger than a football field. Second, it has to come close enough to us. The official distance is within 0.05 astronomical units of Earth's orbit. That sounds like a small number, but that's still a very long way away. However, in the vastness of space, it's considered a dangerously close shave. Now, we don't know for sure how big all of these hidden Venus asteroids are, but even a relatively small one of about 150 meters in diameter could be catastrophic. If a rock that size were to strike Earth, it would hit with a force equal to hundreds of megatons of TNT. For comparison, that is thousands of times more powerful than the atomic bombs used in the Second World War. An impact like that wouldn't just create a crater. It could trigger tsunamis, earthquakes, and throw enough dust into the atmosphere to block out the sun and change the climate for years. This changes everything. The threat isn't just a dot in the sky, it's a potential global disaster. And just when you thought it couldn't get weirder, there's another factor that makes these asteroids so dangerous: the shape of their journey. You see, an orbit can be a perfect circle, or it can be a stretched out oval. Scientists measure this with something called orbital eccentricity. A 0 means a perfect circle. Most of the known Venus asteroids have a high eccentricity, meaning their orbits are very oval-shaped. The researchers warned that any of these asteroids with an orbital eccentricity higher than 0.38 are the ones we really need to worry about. Their stretched out, wobbly paths, are the most likely to cross Earth's path one day, turning a distant threat into a direct one. And if that wasn't enough, it gets even deeper. The biggest problem with these hidden asteroids isn't just their size or their oval-shaped orbits. The most terrifying thing about them is that they are completely and utterly unpredictable. You see, behind the scenes, the universe is not a perfectly neat and tidy clock. It's full of tiny gravitational pulls from planets and other objects that can slowly mess with an asteroid's path over time. For most objects, this process is very slow, and we can predict their orbits for thousands or even millions of years into the future. But not these asteroids. The scientists who discovered them found that the co-orbital asteroids of Venus are highly chaotic. They used a specific term for this called the Lyapunov time. What really brings up a lot of questions is what this term actually means. The thing is, it's a measurement of how long it takes for something's path to become totally unpredictable because of chaos. Think of it like this. Imagine you spin a toy top on a table. For the first few seconds, you know exactly where it's going to be and how it's spinning. But after a little while, tiny imperfections in the top and the table will cause it to start wobbling. Soon, that wobble becomes so big that you have no idea which way it's going to fall. The Lyapunov time is like the moment the wobble takes over. Here's the crazy part. For these Venus asteroids, the Lyapunov time is only about 150 years. That is an incredibly short amount of time in cosmic terms. It means that scientists have absolutely no idea how the orbit of one of these asteroids will change over the next 150 years. A rock that looks perfectly safe right now could, in just a few generations, get nudged into a completely different pathone that could be aimed directly at Earth. That's when it hit them. The true danger of these asteroids wasn't just that they existed, but that we could never truly know what they were going to do. They are like cosmic wildcards. We can't predict their future, which makes it impossible to know for sure if one of them is destined to collide with us. This ticking clock of chaos, this 150-year wall of uncertainty, makes the hidden threat next door one of the most pressing and mysterious dangers in our solar system. We are flying blind, and the truth nobody expected is that our future might depend on finding these invisible rocks before their chaotic journey brings one of them to our doorstep. So, we have a swarm of invisible, chaotic asteroids hiding in the sun's glare, and we have no idea what they'll do in the future. What in the world do we do about it? This is where the story splits into two paths: the scientific solution and the world of wild speculative ideas. First, let's look at what the scientists from Brazil suggested. The thing is, trying to find these asteroids from Earth is almost impossible. Even with our most powerful telescopes, the sun's glare is just too powerful. So, they proposed a brilliant but very expensive solution. We have to get a closer look. They suggested that the best way to find these hidden bodies would be to send a space observatory to the orbit of Venus itself. From there, the telescope could be positioned to face away from the sun, looking back into the shadowy areas where these asteroids are hiding. It would be like standing behind the giant, blinding searchlight instead of trying to look into it. It's a fantastic plan that would almost certainly work. More than Mars, it's a cosmic insurance policy. But now, this is where someone like Elon Musk comes into the picture. A problem like this, a hidden, existential threat to humanity's, exactly the kind of thing that motivates him. You see, his whole mission with SpaceX and his goal to make humanity a multiplanetary species isn't just about adventure. He has stated many times that it's a life insurance policy for our species. He believes that staying on only one planet is like keeping all of your eggs in one basket. A single catastrophic event, like a massive asteroid impact, could wipe us out completely. This isn't just a passing concern for Musk. It's a foundational pillar of his entire philosophy. In 2019, responding to a news story about the asteroid Apophis, dubbed the God of Chaos, Musk was characteristically blunt on Twitter. While he wasn't worried about that specific rock, he issued a stark warning. A big rock will hit Earth eventually, and we currently have no defense. This statement encapsulates the proactive, almost preemptive mindset that drives his endeavors. While government agencies have been diligently mapping and tracking near-Earth objects for decades, Musk's concern cuts to the chase. What's the actual plan when we find one with our name on it? For many, the idea of battling asteroids conjures images of Hollywood blockbusters with crews of roughneck heroes. The reality, however, is taking shape in a far more pragmatic, yet no less dramatic fashion. And while Musk may not be personally wrestling space rocks, his company, SpaceX, is becoming the go-to launch provider for humanity's nascent planetary defense initiatives. A prime example of this is NASA's groundbreaking Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, mission. In November 2021, it was a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket that flawlessly launched the DART spacecraft on its journey to the asteroid Dimorphos. The mission was a resounding success, proving that a kinetic impact, or essentially a high-speed projectile, could indeed alter the trajectory of a celestial body. This was a monumental first step, a proof of concept that moved asteroid deflection from the realm of theory into demonstrable reality. The data gathered from DART's impact is now being studied by scientists worldwide, laying the groundwork for more sophisticated defense strategies. And SpaceX's involvement doesn't stop there. The company is also contracted to launch NASA's NEO Surveyor in 2027. This infrared space telescope is designed to be a powerful new tool in our arsenal, capable of detecting and characterizing potentially hazardous asteroids and comets, including those that are difficult to spot from Earth. By identifying threats far earlier, we give ourselves the most valuable resource of all, time. However, it is when we look to the future, to the colossal silhouette of Starship, that Musk's ultimate contribution to planetary defense truly comes into focus. Starship, with its unprecedented payload capacity and designed reusability, is a potential game-changer. The DART mission, for all its success, involved a relatively small spacecraft to deflect a much larger asteroid, the kind that could genuinely threaten civilization. We would need to deliver a much more massive impactor, or perhaps even a fleet of them. Starship is being designed to carry up to 150 metric tons to orbit, a capability that opens up a whole new playbook for planetary defense. One could envision a future where a Starship, or a series of them, could be rapidly deployed to intercept an incoming threat. These missions could carry incredibly large and energetic kinetic impactors, far surpassing the scale of DART. They could also deploy sophisticated probes to study the asteroid's composition and structure up close, providing crucial data for the deflection effort. A more speculative, but not entirely outside the realm of possibility, scenario involves using Starship to transport a nuclear device. While a deeply controversial option, many scientists believe it may be the only viable solution for deflecting a truly massive object with little warning time. This is where the life insurance policy metaphor becomes strikingly literal. While colonizing Mars is the primary expression of this policy, creating a self-sustaining human outpost far from any Earth-specific cataclysm, the very technology being built for that purpose provides a powerful, Earth-based defense system as a secondary benefit. The same heavy lift capability required to send habitats and supplies to Mars is exactly what would be needed to send a multi-ton asteroid nudger into deep space. Elon Musk is forging the tools and technologies that could one day be pivotal in averting a cosmic disaster. His relentless drive to make space travel more affordable and accessible, epitomized by the development of Starship, will have profound implications for our ability to protect our home world. While the daily headlines may focus on Mars, the technology being born from that ambition could be what ensures Earth has a future to look forward to. In the grand, silent expanse of space, where unseen threats lurk, Musk is not just building a lifeboat. He's also helping to construct the shield, the unseen threat, and the hunt for answers. So, when a story about a new, unpredictable asteroid threat comes out, it only strengthens his argument. It's the kind of thing that makes people like him think on a much bigger scale. The discussion, especially among his supporters and in places where someone like Joe Rogan might have a conversation, goes beyond just spotting the asteroids. it turns to crazy theories and giant solutions. What if we don't just watch them? What if we could mine them? Instead of danger, maybe these asteroids are a hidden treasure trove of valuable metals. You won't believe it, but a single large asteroid could contain more platinum or other rare elements than have ever been mined on Earth. Maybe the solution is to send robotic mining ships, like the ones Musk's company could one day build, to capture these rocks and harvest their resources. And then the theories get even weirder. What if these objects aren't natural at all? Some people might joke, or seriously wonder, if these asteroids are some kind of alien technology. Maybe they are ancient markers, or even tripwires, left behind by a long-gone alien civilization to alert them if another species, like us, starts to explore the solar system. It's an insane idea, but the universe is a strange place. The chaotic orbits could even be a clue. What if their unpredictable paths are being caused by the gravity of something we can't see, like a hidden, undiscovered planeta, Planet 9, lurking in the outer edges of our solar system? This one discovery opens up 100 new questions, from practical engineering solutions to the wildest reaches of science fiction. The truth nobody expected is that we have a newly discovered field of at least 20 asteroids, and likely many more, sharing an orbit with our closest planetary neighbor. They are invisible to us most of the time, hidden in the blinding light of the very star that gives us life. And if that wasn't enough, their paths are so chaotic that we can't predict where they will be in 150 years. This changes everything about how we view the safety of our own cosmic neighborhood. For decades, we've been searching for dangerous asteroids far out in the solar system, but it turns out there's more to the story. One of the biggest threats might be lurking right next door, in a place we've struggled to look. It's a chilling reminder that the universe is always full of surprises, and that we can never afford to stop being curious and vigilant. What's really going on now is a new kind of hunt. The study from the Brazilian scientists is like a treasure map, but instead of pointing to gold, it points to a hidden danger. It's a call to action for NASA, for SpaceX, and for every space agency around the world. The next step is clear. We need to get a better view. The idea of placing a dedicated observatory in orbit around Venus is no longer just a cool concept. It might be a necessary step for the long-term survival of our species. But let's not forget, this discovery isn't just about fear. It's also about wonder. Each of these chaotic asteroids is a piece of the primordial solar system, a time capsule from billions of years ago. Studying them up close could teach us more about how our planets, including Earth, were formed. They could hold the secrets to the very origins of our home world. The hunt for the invisible asteroids of Venus has begun. It's a story of incredible science, high-stakes danger, and the endless human drive to explore the unknown. It's a reminder that sometimes the most important discoveries are the ones that show us what we can't see, forcing us to look at the universe in a completely new light. The silent, rhythmic dance of these hidden rocks continues, and now we are finally watching. A field of invisible, chaotic asteroids could already be drifting toward
us.
We'd have no idea. So here's the real question. Are we truly prepared or just pretending? Smash like, hit subscribe,